Alright guys, so I figured I'd take a minute and shout out the guy on the Husqvarna 288. He was on a 450, I believe. He was absolutely ripping it out there. I mean, he threw a no-hander off the table. He was just going at it. We did a moto, I think 3 or 4 laps before my GoPro cut out. It was having trouble all day, and I was so upset to lose this clip. I mean, it was so good. Just a once-in-a-lifetime kind of deal, I think. I mean, I was riding so hard trying. He got ahead of me, actually, and then he slid out, saved it on this turn coming up right here, and I was just so mad. I was like, man, I lost the clip. But shout out to this guy. Pretty cool. Gave him some stickers, and we might be meeting up to Sugar Pines coming up soon, so I'll see you there, and here's me talking to him.
I got you on GoPro when you slid out right there.
Oh, when I was going sideways?
I was like, yeah! That was sick.
Hey, you were a pretty good race. That was fun.
This is my second time on a track.
It is? Dude, you were flying. I mean, I'm not that good either, but I like to find somebody about my same speed.
Yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing yet.
That's a cool mount. Did you make that mount?
No, it broke today. I usually have it on the side, so I just electrical taped the mount.
Oh, that's cool.
Desperate measures cost for desperate, or whatever it is.
Well, glad I got you some good footage.
Yeah, it'll be on YouTube.
Oh, I'll watch for it.
Forest Hill MX.
What hill?
Forest Hill MX.
Okay, I'll look for it.
I'll give you a sticker.
Okay, I'll find it.
I just finished editing the video, guys, but you won't believe how happy I am. I just found the clip of the guy, and here it is.
He almost cleared me out in that one. He came in and he went to go pass and he hit a loose spot and he lay flat track drifted. No feet down. He didn't have time to put his foot down. Drifted the whole thing and went out. I was like, hell yeah! He just did it like no hander off that. He threw it out, he went. Oh, so sick. He's ripping. Oh, they're watering it. No way I'm riding on this. Heck. Huh? I'm gonna go give the guy some stickers. I owe a guy some stickers.